Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. We are so happy you are here today. My name is Leo.
And my name is Anna. Leo, let me ask a question for our listeners. Do you want to speak English with confidence, but you don't know how to practice every day?
Or maybe you want to understand English stories more easily and sound natural when you speak.
If your answer is yes, then this episode is perfect for you. Today, we will listen, repeat, and speak together. Easy English, fun English, real English.
Great! Let's start our lesson. Okay, Anna. Let's begin with our short story. Today's story is called Cleaning the Mess in the Kitchen. Everyone, just relax and listen. Anna, what happened to the kitchen?
Oh, no. I know. It looks terrible. There is flour everywhere.
Flour on the table, flour on the chair, flour on the floor, even flour on your shoes.
Yes, I tried to bake a cake, but it did not go well.
It really didn't. This is a big mess.
I know. I will clean everything right now.
Don't worry, I'll help you. It will be faster together.
Thank you, Leo. You are always helpful. Can you sweep the floor?
Sure, I will sweep the floor and you can wipe the counter.
Good plan. Oh, what about the cake?
Where is it?
In the oven, but I think it looks very bad.
Even if it looks bad, maybe it tastes good.
I hope so. Next time, I will keep things cleaner.
Good idea. Now let's finish this kitchen before the cake burns.
Deal. After that, we can drink coffee and eat the cake if it is not a disaster.
We will see. Now, let's learn useful words from the story. Repeat after us. 1. Mess. Meaning, a dirty and untidy place. Example, my room is a mess. The kitchen is a big mess. 2. Clean up. Meaning, make a place clean again. Example, let's clean up the table. He cleaned up the kitchen. 3. Sweep. Meaning, clean the floor with a broom. Example, I sweep the floor every morning. Please sweep the kitchen. 4. Wipe. Meaning, clean a surface with a cloth. Example, wipe the counter after cooking. She wiped the table. 5. Oven. Meaning, the machine used to bake or heat food. Example, the oven is in the cake. Be careful, the oven is hot.
Great job, listeners! These simple words are very helpful in daily life.
Now it's your turn. Listen to my questions. Answer out loud.
Don't be shy. Speaking out loud helps your brain think in English.
Question 1. What was everywhere in the kitchen?
Answer: flour was everywhere.
Question 2. Why was there a mess?
Answer: Because Anna tried to bake a cake.
Question 3. Who helped Anna clean the kitchen?
Answer: Leo helped her.
Question 4. What did Leo do?
Answer: He swept the floor.
Question 5. Where was the cake?
Answer: The cake was in the oven.
Question 6. Did Anna want to keep things cleaner next time?
Yes, she did. Amazing! If you answered the questions, you are training your speaking muscles.
You did a wonderful job today. Really, every time you speak out loud, you become more confident.
Remember, English is built with small steps: short stories, simple words, daily practice.
5 minutes a day can change everything. You don't need to be perfect. Just practice a little every day.
And don't forget, we are proud of you.
If today's lesson was helpful, please click like.
And if you want more simple and fun English lessons, click subscribe to Daily English Listening Stories.
After this episode, watch our next lesson. It has another short story to help you think and speak in English.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.